Hello again, everybody. This is week 2's overview for psychological testing. So when we start out this week, we're going to do a little bit of review work. We're going to quiz your neighbor in a new way, and we'll review the quizzes that we went over as well. Remember, please complete these quizzes before you come to class because you'll be much better at being able to do what we're doing in class. So understanding that information will help you understand how to apply it when we get into class. And remember, you can take these quizzes unlimited time, so your goal is to get a perfect score on them and to just build your knowledge. Okay? And we'll start to look at correlations, and we'll start out looking at it by looking at some spurious correlations, or really correlations that don't make sense. Okay? And we'll examine those using some of the key terms from the class and just share ideas with the class. This is not a formal presentation. This is a chance to share and learn from each other. We'll review a lot of those key terms that we've been talking about, and then we'll actually go back to our week 1 experiment assignment. And we'll start to examine some other things that we looked at, and what variables in terms of looking at specifically student success, and then how do we design a multiple regression? How do we look at things from multiple perspectives? So correlations, we often look at them as, does one thing affect the other? But what if we want to look at one thing affects the second thing, affects the third thing, and the fourth thing, and how they all interplay? Okay? And that's what we'll look at here. And then we will, again, take it a little further and start to write some tests, which is what Chapter 6 is all about. So we'll write some very simple ideas, get some practice on this. Obviously, you're not writing tests at this point in your life, but maybe you will be in the future. So this is some good practice, some good chance to explore. We'll quiz your neighbor again and again, in a new way once again, and then we'll talk about what we're doing the following week. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thanks.